Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today I have a very interesting box that came in from a subscriber. I'm not sure who, and I'm not sure what, but let's take a look. Should be exciting. I think it's a subscriber. It could be the Apex Pass Room. I don't know, but I don't know who it is, and I don't know what it is, so don't remember. I should probably, and I'm sorry if I forgot. So let's take a look. So, by the way, I'm opening up with my Exum 18 non-flipper 3.5 inch with some mint embossed titanium scales. Cool little knife. Let's make sure we don't have anything in here. Oh, okay. All right, so we got a couple of knives in here. All right. Oh, I wonder what it looks like. Two of the same knives. Let's take a look. This is the Nick Riggi knives. Nick Riggi knives. All right. I'll put that over there. This definitely, I think it's part of the pass route. Is there anything on the side? Okay, here we are. All right, so we have an 01 and 02 jersey. Bead blast, stonewashed. One is, okay, one stonewashed, one's bead blast. Let's see. Anything else is different? All right, well, we'll just take a look and see if there's different colors or what have you. All right, so here we go. This first one is CPM 20 CV stonewashed. All right, 7¼ inches. Here, get a nice little close look up if you want. Flat grind, frame lock. Let's see what we got here. Oh, very nice. Very thin, oh, actually, that's really sweet. Okay, all right. Here, we'll open this in just a second. Wow, that's super light. Where is that detent? Okay, it's right there. So you definitely clear it really well. It's a little off to the left. Has it got any blade rock? Might be a little loose, but we can fix that. Really nice, I like that. Very thin, it's a smaller knife. Medium, large hands, right at the width. You can sort of choke up. You don't really have a good place. For me, as large hands as getting to the end, unless you're okay going over the edge, but it's super light. Beautiful mill clip. That clip is really nice. Very deep pocket carry. Really cool. Chamfered, rounded all the way around. Nice jimping on the flipper. Flipper works really well. With this and the flat grind, I wonder, can I do a reverse flick? Let me see. Can I get in there? I can. I can get in there. Can I do a left hand in there? I don't know. Yep, I sure can. Very cool. All right, so this one right here is the bead blast. So that's the bead blast. Let's take a look at what this one here is. All right, so, okay. All right, so this one here is the stonewashed, I believe. So let's see what we got here. About the same. Action's beautiful. This one, yeah, it's dead center in this one. Action's nice. No blade rock. See the lockup? We're about good 30-50%, I think, on this one. That's really cool. I like that. Nice mill clip, rounded all the way around. No sharp edges. Got the jimping again. Really good action. Very smooth. I like that sound. That's really nice. So this one's up here, and then this one's over here. Let's compare the two. All right, so this is the stonewashed. I don't know if you can see that. Let's bring it down a little bit here. Stonewashed bead blast. So you can definitely see a smoother handle there in that one. Sort of centered. I don't know. Might be. I think it was just a hair loose, maybe. I don't know. I think this is number 1, number 2. So there you go. And then you got this one over here. Both on actions, absolutely phenomenal. Really phenomenal. And can we do a little? I don't know. Yeah, I can do reverse middle finger flake as well. Stonewashed. I like that. Definitely cover up a little bit more of the cuts and stuff like that. It's not really a choke up finger. I mean, you could sort of come up here. It's got some jimping, not very aggressive. I mean, it's enough to feel it, so you're not moving, but it's not going to be super strong, forceful stop kind of jimping. Definitely, again, medium, large hands. Mine are large hands width-wise, so large hand can get on here. Extra large, you're going to be close to getting over the edge. Double extra large, you're probably going to be using that little edge there, kind of 3.5, 3-finger gripping it. So that is nice. This is sharp, but no, that's been softened, so that's good. I did that on one knife that was so incredibly sharp and uncomfortable, and that's very smart. I like the drop point. Really nice flat grind, comes to a very thin edge. Yeah, definitely a thin edge. I like that. Really nice job there on that. Very cool. Let's look at this one over here. Nice swedge. I mean, it's not really a deep swedge for a nice precision cut, but still very nice. Do like that a lot. That action is beautiful. Let's see how we're doing there. Really nice. Okay, so I don't see much difference between the two. Let's look at this here. Looks like T8s. Are we at T8s? Let's double check that. I've got some hardware over here. it might be. We'll go ahead and close that and see what we got here. So this is a T8. All right, let's see what we got. Yeah, T8s, definitely. How about on the pivot? Definitely T8. Is it even on the over travel stop? Yeah, T8s all the way around. Really nice. That is cool. T8s. I like the lightness of the scale and the handle. This is very light. So let's look at the relief cut. Yeah, definitely good relief in there. Rounded, very thin. I do like that. That lock bar is really nice. Let's look at the relief. Yeah, great axis. Look at that, nice and rounded. It's got a little bit of an edge, but it's not sharp, but you got plenty of axis, so your hand gets in there. Very comfortable. It's not uncomfortable. It's not sharp. It's not digging in. You know, I've had some where they had a little radial edge or a very sharp edge, and it gets uncomfortable after a while, especially if you don't have easy access. But if you have easy access, that's really nice. Tuned, let me see. Is it it's an okay tent. I would call this a medium detent. Most people might call this medium to medium soft. You can definitely tune that a little tighter for sure. Let's see, is the other one about the same? Yeah, that one's maybe a hair slight stronger on the detent, but still really nice. It's definitely a smaller knife. It's very ergonomically comfortable. I will tell you that. Very ergonomically. It's very discreet, very small, very thin. I do like that. I think there's a lot of benefit to that. Really, really cool. Yeah, this is definitely going to be a something worthwhile to consider. I do like that. So you have your options here, and as far as a blade, bead blasted is a kind of a nice look if you like that more sleek, smooth design. The stonewash is great for more of a user, hard use kind of thing. I like that as well. The action is really great. Let's see, can we do... we can easily flip it here like that. Yeah, and I did do that as long as you get on the, I think, yeah, let me see. Oh, let me try to get in there. You definitely can do the reverse flick. You just have to use the deep pocket milled carry clip titanium all the way around. Really nice. Very smooth. I like that. I like the logo too. Nick Riggi. I guess that's the name, gentlemen. I'll have to look that up and kind of get to know a little bit more about the knife for the review, but very, very cool. Interesting little knife for sure. I do like that. I do like that a lot. So really, really neat. Really, really neat. Cool little knife. So there you go. That is the Nick Riggi knife. And there you go. Kind of nice. Kind of nice little knife. Definitely very cool to check out. If you guys have any questions about this knife, please let me know down below. I will tell you things that I've noticed: a nice rounding, very comfortable, good action. Definitely caged ceramic ball bearings. Both of them have good lockup, about 30 to 50%, which looks really, really good, right? Nice detent, it goes in, locks in really well. No detent lash is in there. No blade rock. Really, really solid. I do like that. A lot of good things about this. I like minimal hardware. Two screws, and then, you know, over body travel stop and a captive pivot. Do like a captive pivot. That's really nice. It's definitely important. I imagine this one is, I don't know what this would be, the price for this one. It feels really premium. Feels about that. I had a phone call. So anyways, so let's go ahead and wrap this up. So anyways, if you have any questions about this knife, this unboxing, this is just an unboxing, first impressions. Quick little one here on a knife that I've never had any experience before, but very interested in. Definitely like to do a little more research on this. Don't know if it's a pre-order, Kickstarter, whatever, but we'll definitely find out a little bit more about it. Very cool little knife. It is called the Jersey. It's by Nick Riggi. Bead blasted, CPM S20V blade steel. Definitely very, very cool little knife. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, entertaining, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? If you've already hit that like button, would you also consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows me to produce more content, do more things, and ultimately more things for you. And I very much appreciate that. Thank you. If you've done all that, maybe consider hitting your notification button so you can be notified of future content when content is released. Hey, and if you've done all that, maybe check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching today. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.